Congratulations! You found the Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary featuring our custom bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for market week ending Friday, April 10th, 2015. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio rose from 1.02 to 1.45, rising further into bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns rose 13% to 3,109. The count of bearish stocks decreased 7%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 32%. The Santu Pirls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 2 consecutive weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the OpenOffice Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking on Membership, and clicking Sign Up. For those who are interested, a free 2-week trial subscription is available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 49 points for the 11th rise in 25 weeks. At a positive 151.11 points, it continues below all 9 tops above plus 100 and above all 5 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 3 years. Market Gauge Volume Analysis. In this week's volume analysis, all indexes ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq 100 Trust had 0 accumulation days and 0 distribution days. Of the other indexes, both the Diamonds Trust and the S&P 500 Deposit Receipts ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Nasdaq 100 Trust ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. The CCI 20 Daily has been in a Woody's downtrend since April 1st close, but now has 3 consecutive days above zero for a possible change to Woody's CCI uptrend next week. At a positive 83.10, the CCI 20 is currently outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject short entry signal. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 38 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's downtrend 2 weeks ago. Following last week's winning long trade, the CCI 20 weekly continues in a Woody's uptrend and remains outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject long entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and only 2 of the bottom 5 are negative. Bullish, disk drives, and networkers have entered the top 5. Computer hardware and semis have left the bottom 5. Bearish, comp tech continues in the bottom 5. Oil and oil services continue in the top 5. REITs and brokers have entered the bottom 5. S&P retail has left the top 5. Focus this week. Those watching global financial activities behind the scenes for over a year now are beginning to report that what is being called the global economic reset is now in process, as our focus article this week, Fabian Calvo, Global Economic Reset Happening Now by Jane Landers, explains. A few highlights are the following. My regular listeners know the global economic reset is coming, is in fact underway. Mounting evidence of this is everywhere, and will become irrefutably clear to all when the dollar loses its status as the world's reserve currency. Keep your eyes on accumulating internationally significant developments seemingly adverse to U.S. interests, but increasingly out of our control. Putin is directly challenging NATO and clearly is testing its strength, and NATO has failed miserably, revealing itself as more or less impotent. What we are seeing is the formation of an Eastern superbloc, extending farther than the East, including major South American countries like energy-rich Argentina. Our national image has been badly tarnished by a powerful shadow government of globalists who put at risk the entire world economy with their dollar printing, derivative manipulation, and shadow banking system. As reported in the Financial Times of London, Russia is adding the U.S. as an adversary. England has, for the first time, issued Chinese currency bonds. Even the European Central Bank is considering including the Chinese currency in its reserve. So the global economic reset is underway and is unfolding even as we speak. The world is fundamentally changing. Research these issues for yourself, because there's going to be a big difference between those who are prepared with this information and those who are not. Thank you for tuning in for this week's Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary, featuring the proprietary Bull Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart, compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. Hoping that you are enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you're looking forward to a great week coming up, and wishing you true success.